You mind telling me what the hell you doing?
Art 101 with Mr. Burgher.
Well, hello, scholars, and welcome back to another episode of Art 101 with me, Mr. Burgher. I'm a professional artist and master educator attempting to bring you the best in art historical content. Like always, if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Any interactions are good interactions, and I appreciate you for them.
Well, you gotta have an opinion.
So today I'm in the studio, I'm getting some projects done, I'm hammering away, and I thought, you know what? Today is the day that I need to talk to my people about something pressing on my mind. We need to talk a little bit about the artwork from the Rococo.
Can we just forget the past?
Shut up!
The Rococo is best known for its pastel colors, subjects of love, and very much tied in with a Rubinist style. This was an age of the late Baroque. It was exceptionally ornamental and very theatrical, very over the top.
So, pretty please, with sugar on top.
It would begin in France in the 1730s under the reign of Louis XIV, and soon it would spread throughout Europe. Anyone with knowledge of the Rococo would say that Watteau was the leading artist of the time, but other artists of the time would include Boucher, Fragonard, and Gainsborough.
Except no substitutes.
The sculpture of the time would be embodied by works like the Arc de Triomphe, and architecture like the Chateau de Marly, and other applications in interior design, furniture, porcelain, and textile fabrics. Eventually it would become obsolete with the style of the neoclassical.
Are you gonna bark all day, little doggy? Or are you gonna bite?
Cheers to that one, my friends. Thanks for watching.
What have you done?